Here is solution to question 2. Express each sum as a single vector. Now A is CA TC minus RC plus RT. Now in such cases, first step always is to write everything in positive. So we'll write this as, that means addition. C to A is first vector plus T to C. And then we'll write this as plus. So when you reverse the sign, the order changes. So instead from R to C, it becomes C to R plus RT. Now look for places which can be combined. That means the end point is same as starting point. So as you can see here, TCCR, right? So these can be combined. So let's combine them. So we get CA plus TR. Do you see that? TR. And then you have RT. Now these two can be combined, correct? TR, RT, right? So that gives you from CA to TT, CA. So CA becomes our answer. So now the next one. Next is AB minus CB minus AD plus CD. So first step, let's write down everything with positive, right? So let's start from here. So it becomes AB plus BC. Let's do one by one. Minus AD plus CD, right? Now here we see AB plus BC, correct? Now AB plus BC means you're starting from A ending at C. So you get AC. So that becomes your result. And then you have minus AD plus CD. Now AC and CD can be combined. So we'll bring them together. We have AC plus CD minus AD. Now AC plus CD is AD minus AD. So AD minus AD means 0, right? So you get a 0 vector here. So 0 vector really does not have a defined direction, but the magnitude is 0. So it's AD minus AD, which gives you 0 vector, correct? So that is our answer. So whenever you add a 0 vector, then the result will not change, right? For example, TT here was a 0 vector, right? So you get the same thing when you add a 0 vector, correct? That is why we got CA here, right? So it's like adding and subtracting the same thing, right? So 0 vector. So here we are trying to teach you the concept of 0 vector. Remember, 0 vector is a vector with undefined direction. That is for 0 vector. Correct? So whenever in a situation we get, for example, here, how do we get 0 vector? You could actually see, let me write down alternate way as we did here. AD minus AD is 0, you can see. But if you would have made everything positive, you would have got it like this. AD plus DA, right? That means AA. Do you see that? That means A to A. Do you see that? A to A, just as T to T. So A to A is a 0 vector, starting and ending point being same. So you treat it as a 0 vector in all your such expressions, okay? Vector additions and subtractions. So that is an important thing to understand from question number 2, both the examples. Thanks and all the best.